Imagine this scenario. You feel completely overwhelmed by your truly massive to-do list. Stop scrolling now. You are wasting precious time and vital mental energy on small tasks that only require 2 minutes or less to finish successfully. This constant delaying habit is, in fact, your biggest hidden productivity killer. What if I told you that we can permanently fix this chronic procrastination issue with a simple yet powerful 10-minute system? This is the definitive step-by-step 10-minute tutorial for building the ultimate block-by-block planning system. We will master the 2-minute rule within this specific organizational structure. We are using Notion's incredible filtering and advanced block scheduling capabilities. You will learn to eliminate task overload and achieve deep focus effortlessly. Let's begin by deeply understanding why our capable human brains avoid these tiny, insignificant small tasks. Our mind fears the starting friction more than the task itself. It's the initial activation energy that consistently drains us of motivation. We must minimize this friction aggressively. This mental resistance is the undeniable real source of our daily frustrating delay. The 2-minute rule is the sharpest tool to cut through this inertia instantly. Before we implement the rule, we must establish our foundational principles. Block planning is the essential core of this entire system. Instead of endless listing tasks, we assign specific time blocks for specific types of work. This modern planning method forces your focus and commitment. It drastically reduces context-switching costs and improves output. We will integrate the rule directly into these dedicated blocks of time. Now let's dive straight into the technical setup inside your productive Notion workspace. You need to open your main comprehensive tasks and projects database immediately. Create a brand new, highly specific property within this existing database. Title it clearly as duration category or under 2 min for identification. Set the property type to a simple yet essential checkbox format. This checkbox will be used only for identifying tasks that require 120 seconds or less of your focused attention. This is the critical phase of system integration. We are going to transform your daily block schedule view completely. Create a customized, linked view of your main task database. Title this specific view 2-minute sweep block. This view will be specifically placed at the start of your day's planning block. It's the ultimate warm-up routine for your mind. Now apply the magic filter precisely. The filter settings must be under 2 min is checked, and the task status is to do. This automated filter makes these required microtasks absolutely impossible to ignore. Every single morning, your 2-minute sweep block is the first thing you successfully clear. This filter is your daily catalyst for successful, immediate action. How do we effectively use this new view in practice? Every time you transition between major blocks, e.g. from deep work to admin, take exactly 5 minutes to clear everything in the 2-minute sweep block view. This action instantly resets your focus and prepares you for the next block. It clears the mental clutter that builds up during the day. This simple method completely shifts your planning perspective. You are no longer thinking, should I do this tiny task now? You are simply thinking, it is time for my 2-minute block. It successfully removes the decision fatigue entirely from your routine. This shift guarantees instantaneous action and high momentum. For advanced block planners, consider adding a context tag to these 2-minute tasks, e.g. email, Trello update. You can then clear them during your specific context blocks later. This makes your block planning incredibly precise and effective. Maximize your efficiency effortlessly. This small, systematic integration will completely revolutionize your daily workflow. You have learned the psychological principle, the Notion setup, and the block-by-block application. Your days will now be dramatically less stressful and chaotic. Your productivity will skyrocket and reach new heights. If this powerful productivity hack and detailed system setup successfully helped you achieve planning clarity, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel for more practical block-by-block strategies. Drop a comment below if you use this specific rule. Thank you for watching this complete system breakdown.